Hello friends. In today's world, people are buying what they can visualize, and your jewelry items are not an escape. So make sure you also turn your simple photography into a product photography and also convert it into a video. So in today's video, we'll see how to do it. First, go to the tools website. The link you can find in the description. Click on Start for a free button in the center and log in with your Google account. This is Tools dashboard. As you can see, Topview AI offers variety of features like avatar marketing video, video avatar, product any shoot, and more. Since we need to do a necklace photography, we'll click on product any shoot. As soon as you click, a new panel will open. On right side, you will see a click to upload box. Here, upload your product image. I will go ahead and upload mine. After this, you will see brush and erase icon, which you can use to adjust the brush thickness. Next, choose how many images you want to generate. Then in the center section, you will see three options: public template, AI create, and local upload. In public template, you will find ready-made model templates. In AI create, you can generate a model using AI prompt. And in local upload, you can upload your own model image. So we'll use the public template for this video. So click on it. Here you will see many model categories. You can select a model according to your product type. Since we have a necklace, we'll click on the necklace category. Now you can see plenty of different nationalities model like Indian, American, British. Here, select whichever one you like. I'll select this one. Once you click, you will need to highlight the area on the image where the necklace should appear using the brush tool. Let me quickly do it. After selecting the area, click on Generate button. In just few minutes, Topview AI will prepare your necklace model image. So here is the final result. Looks good, right?
Yes.
Now, there is a creative mode feature in Topview AI where you can describe how you would like to modify your product image in your box provided. Next, we'll convert this image into product showcase video. Let's do it. Click on product model image we created. Under the image, you will see blue image to video button. Click on it. On the left side, under the image, there is a prompt box. Here describe how would you like to animate your image. I'll already written my prompt, so I'm just copying it and pasting it here. Then select the video quality and duration. After that, choose how many videos version you want to generate. There is also negative prompt box where you can type things you don't want in your videos. So I'm skipping for this video. Now click on generate button at the bottom, and in few minutes, Topview AI will create your video, and look at the final result. I like it. It looks real. Next, we will try the hand jewelry, foot jewelry, earrings, rings in the same way. You can use the same tool and the process will remain the same. Let's check one by one. Click product any shoot, then upload your product image, then select the model and choose the appropriate product category. So I'll fast forward this part for you now. And here it is, all the final product photography with the video. Looks great, right?
Yes.
So in the same way, based upon your product category, you only need to change the product category part in the public template. That's the only difference in entire things. So if you find this video helpful and making your professional lives easier, then make sure you hit that like button, subscribe my channel and share it with your e-commerce friends. If you want to support me, you can support through my UPI ID or buy me a coffee button you can find in the description. See you in the next one.